Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu afterwards, he said, Rasulullah, is it not time for us to pray? Because he had heard, وَأَقِيمَ الصَّلَاةَ لِلذِّكْرِ. So he was eager to pray as well. So he said, is it not time for us to pray? He said, it is. He said, then what are we going to do? He said, we pray here. He said, no. Now we'll no longer pray here. Let's go to Makkah. Let's go to Kaaba. We'll pray in front of the Kaaba. And I'll see who is there going to stop us. So Sahaba Ikram, along with Rasulullah, went to Kaaba. They made two safs. One saf, Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu, the other saf, Sayyidina Hamza radiallahu ta'ala anhu. They were all there standing, and Umar radiallahu ta'ala announced that, is there anyone who wants to make his wife a widow, his child an orphan, then come and stop us. That was the daring personality of Sayyidina Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu. And because of this, the difference that he created after coming into Islam, he was given the title of Farooq. Farooq means the one who creates a difference. Farq karne wala. Sayyidina Abdullah bin Masud radiallahu ta'ala anhu, he says about Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu that indeed Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu accepting Islam was the fatha, was the victory of Islam. His hijrat was the help of Islam, and his becoming the Khalifa was the rahmat on the Ummah. And it was indeed. And Rasulullah had predicted this before. So before his Khilafat, I was telling about the love of Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu that Allah had. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also regarded Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu. There are more than 4 occasions on which Sayyidina Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu gave the advice to Rasulullah, and then in support of that advice, the Quranic ayat came as well. Same as what Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu was at. So why? Because he had great foresight. He could tell things, as Rasulullah had said that he was a muhaddas of our ummah.